The Pi network has garnered significant attention in the cryptocurrency space, captivating users with its unique mobile mining approach. As of April 25, 2025, Pi is trading within the range of 63 to 65 cents. While this price point reflects the project's early stages, recent market activity suggests a potential for upward movement. Notably, a surge in whale activity saw a massive accumulation of 41 million Pi, approximately $27 million over just 2 days. This indicates growing confidence among large-scale investors. The Pi network has witnessed a remarkable journey since its inception. Founded by a group of Stanford graduates, the project aimed to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to a wider audience. The mobile mining concept, allowing users to mine Pi using their smartphones, quickly gained traction. This resulted in a rapidly expanding user base, estimated to be around 35 million at the beginning of 2025. However, the lack of a live mainnet and exchange listings kept Pi's price largely speculative in its initial phase. The project operated on a promise, with users accumulating Pi in anticipation of its future value once it entered the open market. This phase was marked by both excitement and skepticism, with many questioning the project's legitimacy and potential for success. The launch of the Pi network mainnet in February 2025 marked a pivotal moment in its journey. This significant development finally allowed users to migrate their mined Pi from the enclosed ecosystem to the open market. The mainnet launch paved the way for exchange listings, unlocking liquidity and enabling Pi to be traded on various platforms. The launch of the Pi network mainnet in February 2025 marked a pivotal moment in its journey. This significant development finally allowed users to migrate their mined Pi from the enclosed ecosystem to the open market. The mainnet launch paved the way for exchange listings, unlocking liquidity and enabling Pi to be traded on various platforms. The mainnet migration was not without its challenges. It required users to complete a KYC or Know Your Customer process to verify their identities and prevent fraudulent activities. This process was essential to ensure the network's security and compliance with regulatory standards. While some users experienced delays and difficulties during the KYC verification, the Pi network team worked diligently to streamline the process and address any issues. The successful migration to the mainnet had a profound impact on Pi's price. As users gained the ability to trade their Pi on exchanges, the token experienced its first real-world price discovery. The initial listings on exchanges like OKX, Gate.io, and MEXC saw Pi's price surge, reaching a peak of $2.98 on February 26, 2025, shortly after its debut. This surge in price reflected the pent-up demand for Pi and the market's recognition of its potential. The mainnet migration transformed Pi from a speculative asset into a tradable cryptocurrency with real-world value. Exchange listings are crucial for any cryptocurrency's growth and price appreciation. They provide visibility, liquidity, and accessibility to a broader market. The Pi network's mainnet launch opened the doors for listings on various exchanges, further fueling its price potential. Following its initial listings on OKX, Gate.io, and MEXC, Pi network secured its presence on several other exchanges, including BitGet. These listings provided users with more options to buy, sell, and trade Pi, contributing to increased trading volume and liquidity. As of April 2025, Pi is listed on 12 exchanges, a testament to its growing recognition within the cryptocurrency market. The anticipation of future listings, particularly on major American and European exchanges, continues to fuel optimism among Pi investors. Rumors of a potential listing on Huobi, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, have been circulating within the community. A listing on a major exchange like Huobi would expose Pi to a much larger pool of investors, potentially driving its price even higher. However, exchange listings are not without their potential downsides. The influx of new investors and increased trading activity can also lead to price volatility. Additionally, the centralized nature of exchanges introduces a degree of risk, as users must trust these platforms with their funds. One of Pi Network's key strengths lies in its rapidly growing and highly engaged community. The project's unique mobile mining approach has attracted millions of users worldwide. The community plays a vital role in promoting Pi Network, spreading awareness, and contributing to its development. With an estimated user base exceeding 35 million in early 2025, Pi Network is well positioned for further growth. Analysts predict that the user base could surpass 100 million by 2026, solidifying its position as a major player in the cryptocurrency space. Community-driven initiatives, such as the development of decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Pi network, are essential for its long-term success. These dApps will expand the utility of Pi, allowing users to utilize it for various purposes beyond trading and speculation. A thriving ecosystem of dApps will attract more users and businesses to the Pi network, further driving its growth. Moreover, the Pi network team actively engages with its community through regular updates, AMAs, or Ask Me Anything sessions, and social media interactions. This open communication fosters trust and transparency, essential factors for building a strong and loyal community. Section 5. Market sentiment and broader trends. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, influenced by a multitude of factors, including market sentiment, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. Understanding these broader trends is crucial when assessing the potential of any cryptocurrency, including Pi Network. As of April 2025, the overall cryptocurrency market is experiencing a period of cautious optimism. The Fear and Greed Index, a widely used barometer of market sentiment, stands at 39, indicating a state of fear. This suggests that investors are hesitant to make significant investments due to uncertainties in the market. Factors contributing to this cautious sentiment include ongoing regulatory scrutiny of the cryptocurrency industry and concerns about potential market manipulation. Additionally, macroeconomic factors, such as inflation and interest rate hikes, can impact investor appetite for risk assets like cryptocurrencies. Despite these uncertainties, the long-term outlook for the cryptocurrency market remains positive. Institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, with major financial institutions investing in and developing services related to digital assets. Section 6. Technical analysis and ecosystem developments. Technical analysis provides insights into price movements and potential trends based on historical data. Looking at Pi's price chart, we can observe a period of consolidation around the 63-cent mark. The token is forming a double bottom pattern, a bullish signal that suggests a potential reversal and upward movement. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a momentum oscillator, currently sits at 47, indicating that Pi is neither overbought nor oversold. This suggests that the token has room for further upward movement before reaching overbought conditions. The Average Directional Index, or ADX, which measures trend strength, stands at 20, indicating low trend strength and ongoing consolidation. A break above the resistance level of 64.5 cents could signal a shift in momentum and potentially trigger a price rally. Beyond technical indicators, ecosystem developments play a crucial role in driving long-term price appreciation. The Pi Network team is actively working on expanding the platform's functionality and utility. One of the key developments is the integration of two-factor authentication, enhancing security for users and their assets. Section 7. Long-term predictions. What does the future hold? Predicting the future price of any asset, especially in the volatile cryptocurrency market, is inherently speculative. However, several analysts and industry experts have provided their insights into the long-term potential of Pi Network. For 2026, price predictions for Pi range from a conservative $1.07 to an optimistic $119.45. These varying predictions reflect the uncertainties surrounding the project's future adoption, regulatory landscape, and overall market conditions. Looking further ahead to 2030, predictions for Pi's price become even wider, ranging from $2.76 to a staggering $264.70. These long-term predictions highlight the potential for significant growth, but also underscore the importance of approaching such forecasts with caution. It's crucial to note that these predictions are based on various factors, including historical data, market trends, and expert opinions. They should not be taken as financial advice but rather as a starting point for further research and due diligence. Section 8. Potential challenges and regulatory hurdles. While the Pi Network shows promising signs of growth and adoption, it also faces potential challenges and regulatory hurdles that could impact its future. One of the primary concerns surrounding Pi Network is its centralized nature. The project's core team retains significant control over the network, which has drawn criticism from advocates of decentralization, a core principle of the cryptocurrency ethos. Additionally, Pi Network has faced accusations of being a pyramid scheme. Critics argue that the project's referral system, where users earn more PI by inviting others to join, resembles a pyramid structure. While the Pi Network team has refuted these claims, addressing these concerns and providing greater transparency will be crucial for maintaining trust within the community. Regulatory scrutiny poses another significant challenge. The cryptocurrency industry is still navigating a complex and evolving regulatory landscape. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and Pi Network's unique approach to mining and distribution could attract attention from regulators. Section 9. Conclusion: a measured perspective on Pi's potential. The Pi Network has emerged as an intriguing project in the cryptocurrency space, captivating users with its mobile mining concept and rapidly growing community. The mainnet launch and subsequent exchange listings have propelled PI into the realm of tradable assets, sparking optimism about its future. While the potential for PI to reach $5 by the end of 2025 remains a topic of debate, the project's fundamentals and market activity suggest that it's not an entirely far-fetched notion. Factors such as increasing exchange listings, growing community adoption, and positive market sentiment could contribute to PI's price appreciation. However, it's essential to approach such predictions with a healthy dose of caution. The cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and PI's price will likely experience fluctuations along the way. Additionally, the project faces challenges, including regulatory uncertainties and concerns about its centralized aspects. Ultimately, investing in Pi Network requires careful consideration of the project's potential risks and rewards. Thorough research, due diligence, and a long-term perspective are crucial for navigating the exciting yet uncertain world of cryptocurrencies.